Eukaryotic cells can replicate their cells, reproduce other cells through the process of mitosis. Mitosis is part of the mitosis phase in the cell cycle, and this is what we will look at in lab. The cell cycle consists of the G1 phase, where cell growth is taking place, the S phase, where DNA is replicated, the G2 phase, where the cell is getting ready to divide, and of course, mitosis, which consists of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase sections. G1, S phase, and G2 phase make up the interphase, and of course, you have mitosis. You will mostly look through this link here, and this link will allow you to answer the following questions. And then these questions, once you've completed these questions, you will upload it onto Moodle. But this is the interactive. You will hit launch interactive. What you should do is read up a little bit about the cell cycle. So you should know that cells don't just move from phase to phase altogether. It's a dynamic process. At any one time, cells are reproduced at each of these different stages. Usually in the lab, we will look at microscopic slides on onion root tip. And the reason why we look at the onion root tip is because that is where cells are dividing. And if we were in lab, you would actually see this, but in the PowerPoint, there's an example of the onion root tip, and you can see many of the phases of mitosis. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. And of course, if these cells are not in mitosis, then they are either of these different stages of interphase.